Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Porsche 911 and it's a Rallye Porsche. If I'm not wrong, Porsche did a Rallye kind of off-road kind of version of 911 a long time back, and this is a new one they based it on. So Hot Wheels did a scale model of it. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So here it is out of its box. The first thing you will notice is this paint job, which is very specific to this car, and it looks really good. And there are some good details too. Starting from the front, you can see you have a detailed headlamp, you got the Porsche badge. You also got the vents down there, so good details there. Both the mirrors, again, good thing, good job. On the top, you can see there is a carrier, a roof rack, which has some luggage in it. Again, good added details. The paint job again continues, like you can see this paint theme on the front, on the side, even here you can see it says Rough Roads 953 Porsche. That's the number, I don't know what it means. I do like how they have the contrasting wheels, the white ones, looks good with the casting, especially with the white blue paint of the casting. Now on the passenger side, you can see there's the fuel filler cap up front because Porsche is a rear engine for which you see the vent here. Again, you can see it's slightly off-road based, so you will see these what I call flare, like molded flare, I don't know, the plastic parts basically, the black ones, black plastic wheel flares. Also, you can, if you look closely, it seems like it has more ground clearance, the gap seems higher, and Hot Wheels has tried to mimic that. Obviously it has a higher ground clearance to go off-road. Also on the side you can see the door handles here, so good details on the passenger side. Let's move to the rear. You can see there's space for exhaust and everything, the vents, got a big spoiler, but tail lamp isn't detailed. You can see the line going there, this one, it's for the tail lamp, but it isn't detailed. I think it shouldn't be hard given that it's white. You can use a red marker to add it if you want. Now coming to driver's side, it looks almost identical. The only difference being the fuel filler cap, which is not there. Yeah, from this side you can see the roof rack, how big it is. Kind of covers like in the front and more like a spoiler on the roof. Yeah, but with no aerodynamic benefits. Yeah. And this is how it looks from the bottom. So overall, I say it's a nice looking casting. Would have loved to have detailed tail lamp too, but again, even if I don't get that, apart from that, there's great details on this casting, especially for a main line. So those are my thoughts. Let me know what you think about this. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.